In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to use the stop loss and take profit feature. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the ways to use the stop loss and take profit feature in ByBit. In order to use the stop loss and take profit feature in ByBit, you have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and log in into your ByBit account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Here, you just need to go to the trading section by tapping on the trading ball from the top right hand side corner, and then you need to enter your order details you normally, choosing between market, limit or conditional order. And after entering your order details, you can set the stop loss and take profit before placing the order. Then you could go and look for the stop loss and take profit options in the order entry form. Then you can enter the order details, choose the order type and enter the quantity and a price. And when you've done that, you can tap on the TP, that is take profit option. Enter the price at which you want to take profit, and this price should be above the current price if you're buying or below the current price if you're selling. And to enable or to set up stop loss, you need to tap on SL option, enter the price at which you want the stop loss, and this price should be below the current price if you're buying or above the current price if you are selling. And then you can review all the details including the stop loss as well as take profit. Confirm and place the order by tapping buy or sell. Then you could go to the position tab, and then you can tap on the position you want to set your stop loss and take profit for. When you've done that, you can go ahead and enter all of these informations. Then you can go to the risk management page and all that, and then confirm your transaction. By setting stop loss and take profit order on ByBit, you can effectively manage the risk and lock in the profit, ensuring that your trading strategy is disciplined and well executed. Regularly monitoring, adjusting these settings will help you adapt to the market changes and maintain control over your traders. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.